All right, this worksheet is 2 videos, so we're going to do the first few, and then we'll do the next one tomorrow. So you use this twice. Okay, so we are going to be multiplying polynomials. Now these are functions. This is your function notation here. So you have each one of these, they're given a name. F of x, g of x, h of x, h, and whatever. Okay, so when it comes over here, when they say determine f of x times t of x, you simply multiply the functions together. So f of x is 2x squared. T of x is x squared minus 5x plus 10. And we simply distribute. So we take this 2x squared and multiply it times 1 term, 2 terms, 3 terms. Okay, so this becomes 2x to the 4th. Multiply the numbers, add the exponents when you're multiplying. So 2 times negative 5, x squared times x, and then 2x squared times 10 is 20x squared. It has nothing to multiply over here, but the x squared still comes along for the ride. So that's it, multiply. If I want to do g of x squared, so it's saying take g of x and square it. So I'm going to take 3x minus 2 and square it. This is a binomial, so you can't apply your power to a power rule because this is a binomial, not a single term. So you do have to write 3x minus 2 times 3x minus 2 and distribute that way. Now you may have learned other ways in your life, double distributing, FOIL, whatever. That's fine. I'm just going to choose to teach what's called the tabular method. It just makes everything quite easy. We create a box. Each part of the box is a term of a binomial. So this side, I'm making this binomial, and this binomial is going to be over here. Okay, it doesn't matter which one goes where, especially since they're the exact same thing anyway, but it doesn't matter. As long as one binomial is on the top and one binomial is on the side. And then we simply multiply. So I do 3x times 3x, and I get 9x squared. You just do the math. 3x times negative 2, negative 6x, 3x times negative 2, another negative 6x, and negative 2 times negative 2 is a positive 4. Then we just simply combine like terms. So when we're inside the box, here, and we're combining like terms, exponents stay the same. Okay? We're not multiplying anymore, we're adding. So 9x squared has no like terms. Negative 6x and negative 6x, those are like terms, so that's negative 12x. And 4 does not have any like terms. That's it. Okay, just be careful of your signed numbers. That's really, truly, generally the only issue here. And you'll be fine. Use your calculator, whatever you have to do. So this one's saying g of x times h of x. So g of x is 3x minus 2y, and h of x is 3x plus 2y. Okay, these things are called conjugates of each other because they are exactly the same, 3x, 2y, 2y, but one has a minus sign and one has a plus sign. Okay, that's a lot different than this. These are exactly the same because you're squaring them. So something different, of course, will happen here. So I'm going to just create my box. I'm going to do it on the side here. So one binomial goes here, 3x minus 2y. The other goes here, 3x plus 2y. And we multiply. 9x squared minus 6xy and plus 6xy. And then the last one would be a negative, a negative 4y squared, because it's negative 2y times a positive 2y. Then we combine our like terms. 9x squared does not have one. Then we combine 6xy and negative 6xy. Remember, when we're adding, we add the coefficients. So a positive 6 and a negative 6, that's 0, gone. So the signs are different, so that's why that's 0. And then negative 4y squared does not have a like term either, so the result here is another binomial, 9x squared minus 4y squared. So that's it for today. Enjoy your day. Alright, so this is all we're doing today for this video, is we're multiplying a trinomial. No, we're not. Yeah, a trinomial times a binomial. So it's that h of x, I just don't have my paper right here. So h of x is 3x plus 2y, and t of x is x squared minus 5x plus 10. Okay. And then all we do is we multiply these. But it's really, if you use that tabular method, it's as simple as what we just did yesterday. Okay, so you have a binomial times the trinomial. So this one is 3x and 2y. This one on top is x squared minus 5x plus 10. And we just multiply each of the pieces together. So x squared times 3x is 3x cubed. Negative 5x times a positive 3x is a negative 15x squared, and so on. 30x, 2x squared y, negative 10xy, and 20y. Just making sure I did my math right, sort of. So then we combine like terms if we can. In this case, because this binomial had a y in it, it makes it so that there aren't going to be any like terms. Pretty exciting, right? So no like terms, or I don't think, I will check. So 3x cubed, there's no other x cubed. Then this one, doesn't matter what you put next, but this is what I'm choosing. 2x squared y, there's no other x squared y's, negative 15x squared, negative 10xy, plus 30x, plus 20y. So I write all these out. None of them have the same letter, same variable, and the same exponent on that variable. So there's nothing we can add. Like this has x squared y, this is just xy. This one would need a 2 to have been able to add them. So that's it. That's binomial times a trinomial. Have a good day.